Kimathi?
Yes, thank you for this opportunity to speak to the council. The first thing I want to say is I do support this bill, 25-278. On August 23rd, 2022, I sent an email to the entire DC City Council, along with the mayor. And at that time, I indicated, one, the information, and I put links there so all of you have it, of what the people have mentioned about the VAERS system. It is the most dangerous thing being presented as medication and medicine in the history of this country. In 1 year, more reported deaths from this official system occurred from these 3 injections, Moderna, Pfizer, and Johnson & Johnson, than in 31 years, all actual vaccines combined, making it the most dangerous thing being presented as medicine. It's not medicine, it's technology, mRNA technology. I want to read, I also sent in the official listing of the 1,291, over 1,200 listed side effects officially as of April 2021 from Pfizer. These are what they knew before the injections were mandated. And I sent those to the entire council and to the mayor. So I'm glad that you're beginning the process of backing away from these. I don't think it's enough. I'm going to read part of what I sent. I am writing to inform you that in my estimation, everyone who voted for this bill is an active, knowing participant in a genocide against children in the United States of America, specifically Washington, D.C. This communication provides current evidence of why these injections are harmful and demonstrates your knowledge of the danger of these injections. The fact that you are intentionally and willfully circumventing the court's ruling to inject children without their parents' knowledge or consent represents your intent to do harm. From the date of this communication on August 23rd, 2022, I believe that any child who is harmed due to your advocating and or facilitating COVID-19 injections called vaccinations to them is a victim of an active genocide perpetuated by you and all of the members of the DC City Council who voted for this bill. I request that you employ the same urgency you used in circumventing the U.S. District Court's injunction against the Minor Consent for Vaccination Act of 2020 in ending this genocidal assault on the children of Washington, D.C. Otherwise, you may soon be pursued for crimes against humanity for actively engaging in a genocide against the children in the Washington, D.C. metropolitan area. So it is not enough to stop the mandates of the injections. Now that you have the information, you are now responsible with your knowledge to share that information with the public in Washington, D.C. I also want to bring to the attention of everyone out there this document. Can't see it here too well, but I'm going to read and tell you where you can find it. It's called ISSN 277-5906, COVID-19 and illegal U.S. bioweapons activity and insiders revelations. J. Bart Klassen, MD. You're talking about you want to give people the science. He is a scientist who worked with Dr. Fauci. Again, ISSN 2771-5906. Thank you.
Ms. Stanford.